Definitely not supposed to be up here right now. But how could you pass up a view like this? What is up, everybody? It is your boy JH Captured here, bringing you another video in the Nordic Trek series with video number 12 today. Today we're going to be checking out a variety of different projects designed by a variety of different architects. So let's just give you a rundown from beginning to end as you'll be viewing them in the video. First off, we're going to be checking out the Frederiksvej Kindergarten designed by COBE. Then we'll be checking out the Living Places of Copenhagen designed by EFFEKT and the Velux group. Next, we'll be checking out the Copenhagen Business School and the Tower of Østerbro designed by Lundgaard and Tranberg architects. The Silo Housing designed by COBE. Park and Play Rooftop by JAJA architects. And finally, wrapping up with the Gammel Hellrup Gym designed by Big. This was an amazing video to edit. I can't wait to share it with you guys. Without further ado, let's hop right into the video.
Some things to look at. I'm gonna kind of like wait here, and we're just gonna do like a little once around, a little bit, so you don't like scare the kids. I don't think you can make a full loop. I think you're gonna have to go and come back. At least that's what I had to do. I think that's all I'm gonna say about this. So go ahead and take a peek.
So I'm currently at a school location. There's a lot of young children around, so I'm going to try my best not to film them because obviously I'm going to try to capture the architecture without actually capturing a student or a child for that matter. So this is a kindergarten designed by COBE. It's spelled K-O-B-E, but I believe Carl said it's C-O-B-E. And apparently this is a low budget build. So it's a metal decking, corrugated metal vibe, and yeah, let's try to get this without getting the kids.
You're not allowed to take pictures and stuff.
So I'm going to capture everything with my phone, unless I can try to sneak it in. Yeah, I'm not gonna. Just got yelled at by a teacher and confronted by a teacher that I can't film. I literally just zoomed in on the facade, and she was like, "You can't film here. It's safety of the children." I was like, "Whatever. Not gonna argue it." Here we are, just walking away.
So I think we can spend like, I don't know, half an hour-ish here. These are, I think, 5 different like prototype houses, kind of like at the Danish Architecture Center. We saw those little corner modules with experimental tectonics. These are maybe a little bit more conservative in terms of like, I don't know if they're experimenting with straw or thatch or anything like that, but they are meant to, they're probably a little bit more legible or visible to you guys as little houses, because they got little kitchens and furniture and stuff in them. So take, I don't know, I think take about half an hour, look around at them. If you want to sketch or take photos, actually do it.
Oh, that's cool, got trusses and everything.
Yeah. Yep. I think it's like what you try
Enter at your own risk. Duly noted. Damn.
All right, guys, so this is the Copenhagen Business School behind me. Designed by, not by COBE, by my second favorite office in Copenhagen, Lundgaard Tranberg, who designed the playhouse that you saw. I think it's pretty interesting. I hope we can get in there. It's got some amazing detailing on the interior, but out here, things that I love are sort of like, you can definitely see they kind of extended their like design fingerprints a little bit out into the landscape around here with the kind of the striping, the raking for the paving and bicycle parking. I also like too, like it's kind of interesting how this is like it's two typologies, two form typologies. It's a courtyard building or atrium as a form of a courtyard. And it's also a plinth and pavilion. They've kind of, you see how they've built up this kind of like land mass around the bottom. It's kind of a massive pavilion to put on it, but it definitely kind of reads as a pavilion. See how down here they haven't put the screening, the slats and the translucent to kind of make it look like it's lifted up a little bit. I think it's a pretty nice project. I like looks like the occupants can manipulate the solar shading as they wish on the interior.
Oh wow. That's cool. Ooh, this floor is different. It's like red. It's like the terracotta clay colored. It's like a reddish orange. Same colored floor on this level. Definitely isn't like the Castro Bass where you can hop the ledge and jump out. Because you do that, you're smacking that. Very neat.
Yeah. So this is a COBE project. In addition to this existing building, providing kind of like multiple means of entrance to it, and I believe there's a. Well, I just thought it was kind of a nice, kind of a different way of thinking about addressing the street potentially. I don't know if they ever use it for concerts or anything, but you certainly could. So we check it out for like 15 minutes and be on our way. Oh, that's just really fun. Oh, is it? We'll give it up. We'll give it up. Sure.
Kind of being a rebel right now, not really walking on the sidewalk, but I don't care. Not like there's any traffic coming or anything. There's the group straggling behind. Kind of interested in this building right there. A tall one. Hopefully we can get a good picture from a side view or something. I don't understand why we're not stopping to talk about this building, but it is so fascinating. Alright, I'm stopping to get a picture for that. Dude, look at these views. We're currently on the 17th floor called Restaurant Silo. And this is the view as soon as you get off the elevator. About the same height when I bungee jumped. Maybe a little more.
Actually in love with the way these buildings look.
Yeah.
They look very, very industrial.
I like that red one. The green roof right there. Oh. Go further this way. Maybe. Oh, sweet. Oh, it's open too. Oh, sweet. Nah.
Yeah, those stairs are up.
That looks like fun. Oh,
I think it only works because we have buildings that are taller around it.
Yeah. Might have good instinct with us.
that's fun. Isn't Castrop over there? Maybe. That looks like a dock we can go swimming off of. Oh, friggin' it's an octopus. That's cool. What does that do?
Time on how fast you can get up there.
Oh, cool. That's a very cool facade. Ooh, corrugated decking.
You don't have to draw a diagram, they have. Yeah, they got one. It seems to have weathered a bit.
Cool lob. Lump.
Clump.
Clump.
You have some splinters, that's what it's got. Reminds me of that basketball court that you rode your bike in.
Yeah.
The question is, can we get inside?
The question is, who wants to play a game of giant chess?
Oh,
I'll take
look
too
at that.
long.
You can roller skate on that.
Let's bike on that.
How the f do we... It's just a cover. You can't actually get in.
Definitely not supposed to be up here right now. But how could you pass up a view like this? I've already accepted death. Adam, you can fit through here, right? You can fit through here.
Oh, I can definitely.
Yeah, there's plenty of room.
I prefer to lift it.
Thank you. Oh, cool. Oh, that's neat.
It smells so good.
Can you turn on the lights? Wow, this is neat. Very cool. We just got special VIP access because one of the maintenance workers actually went to school here, and he has keys to get us inside the gymnasium, so we got to see this awesome gymnasium. Absolutely gorgeous. Thank you.
Not so much.
And you can like, right here is like your like good wishes for the future and everything. Then you have this pin and your friends will write in it. Under here, you will write in if it's like somebody you like or like a phone number. I have one. Oh. And then this is the wave. I made this like 2 days ago. And then it's like you're bathing in the sea with no clothes on, but the hat. So there's so many things. This is my name, and the school is here. So.
I love that everybody signs the.
Yeah,
people
they
are
will
signing
write messages. So
Yeah.
it's not just signing it, but it's also like saying something fun or whatever.
That's so much better than a yearbook.
But we also have a yearbook.
Oh, you do? Okay.
Yeah, we also have.
They have it all.
We have it all
they just-
here.
Yeah, and the party truck.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I want the party
the
truck
trucks
in
are
the
so
hat.
That was
fun.
so fun. That was
Yeah.
so fun. And just we were wearing these hats for like 3 weeks or something, just on the street, and everybody will congratulate, be like, like congratulations.
Party all the time.
Yeah, basically.
So it lasts like 3 weeks.
Yeah. Yeah, basically.
That's
cool.
a proper graduation.
Yeah.
To get back
I
to
can
whatever.
really recommend like just down this way. There will be like it's called the beach way.
The beach way.
There's a lot of stores.
Where's John? John's already putting it in. He's gotten into every
It is.
body of
I
water
can show
we've
you.
been to.
It's literally right there. I will take my bike. I can show you.
Yeah, we're taking a bus to Norway on Friday.
Oslo, yeah.
Yeah.
I'll come to you.
So it's like a couple hours.
What's this place called?
Somebody, I can just show you. It's literally. I can point when we.
7:15.
Okay. A sailboat harbor right now. A graduated student recommended this area since I'm trying to take a dip in the water. I've been walking all day. I'd love to cool off. So she sent us in this direction. I was going my way and then the group was following, and then they went the other way. I think they want to go back to the hostel. I don't blame them. I have my swimsuit and my towel, so kind of just gonna go from there. So made it. It was quite a walk, but we're here. So this is as close as the Bahamas as you're gonna get. It's very clear water, gorgeous day.